boy, do I love texture, guys. Look how that pops. So simplistic, but the movement is absolutely gorgeous. If you've watched me for a while, I am now just starting to really define and refine. I know my style's always been minimalist, elegance, modern, contemporary art, and I've stayed with that, and that's what makes me happy. But since I've got into painting, it makes it a little bit more difficult because you're learning and growing and trying a lot of new stuff to really start to hone in. And I'm starting to hone in. As you guys have noticed, a lot of my paintings, most of them have a very curvy and tons of flow within the composition, especially with my textured art. Several different designs. One of my very popular ones called Gray Sky is very similar to this, but a little bit more minimalist. But the very simplistic patterns, those ripples, and then adding the crackle paste, which I didn't know. It was my first time. That was totally spontaneous that I decided to add the crackle paste. I have done that, but I've done it separately on the canvas. This time I applied it on the top, and it turned out fabulous. You know, I always feel like you get this kind of rock or stone-like structure with the crackle paste, but I'm loving all of this, and of course the depth and dimension, and you know, kind of staining the canvas at the beginning and letting areas dry before I go over them. Just creating some more interest with some under patterns here, and I absolutely love it. For those of you who are new or maybe not new, I am now on Facebook and Instagram. You might say I'm late to the party, but for me, guys, I wanted to do everything very organic and spend less time managing a bunch of social media sites and more time on my content and my actual painting. I am working out things right now for my first real collections. So I'm going to try to do a 5 or 10 piece collection coming up in the near future. So please keep your notifications on because they will be large pieces. And I have a commission piece I've been working on now for a few weeks that is almost done that you guys will also be privy to. So once again, guys, thank you so much for your support. I truly do love you guys. I love your comments as well. I love engaging, so please continue to do so. Please help boost my channel with me by sharing my art as well on your social medias, and give me any shout outs for any inspirational paintings you do. So stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next painting.